Today we're going to demonstrate how the do-while action works in Engini. The do-while activity allows you to execute a set of actions repeatedly as long as the specified conditions remain true. You can define one or multiple conditions, and when more than one is set, they are combined using the and operator, meaning all conditions must be met for the loop to continue. In this example, we'll demonstrate a short workflow that retrieves opportunity data from Salesforce and counts how many opportunities there are. The workflow is triggered manually, but you can always schedule it or trigger it via a webhook. First, we'll fetch 5 opportunities from Salesforce. Of course, you can retrieve as many as you need, but in this case, we're using just a few. Next, we initialize 2 variables. One will act as a counter and control the condition for the do-while loop, and the other will sum the number of opportunities during each iteration inside the do-while block. The do-while block will iterate over the records array from Salesforce as long as the counter is less than the length of the retrieved array, which is 5 in this case. On each iteration, we'll increment the number of opportunities by 1 and the counter by 1. This is important because we want the loop to stop eventually, and the counter controls how many iterations are run. Now, let's test the workflow and observe how the variables change throughout the iterations. As you can see, with each iteration, as long as the condition isn't met, the variables increment by 1. Eventually, the loop stops once the condition is fulfilled, meaning the counter reaches 5. This is just a brief demonstration of the do-while loop, but you can always customize it to suit your needs and retrieve larger datasets based on your conditions. And that's it. The do-while loop is one of the most commonly used actions, and just like in any coding platform, it continues until all specified conditions are met. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching.